Hello and welcome, it's Chili Cube here. I'm in Queensland in Australia and it's a beautiful sunny day but very humid, but the one thing is we're not having too much rain here, so that is a good thing, a really good thing. So I'm just going to use up a very few colours I have left, so I'm going to see what I can do with them. I have some white pre-mixed here. It's quite thick, so I'm thinking that I might just add, this is just water, just a bit of water to it, just to thin it down a tad. So okay, let's try that. Let's try it. Give it a quick spread out a bit. Yeah, that feels nice. It's not too thin and it's not too thick, as Goldilocks said. It is just right. Very dark cherry made up in here. So I'm gonna see what I can do with it. And I'm going to do a V kind of, a chevron kind of pattern, I guess, but I'm going to just pour puddles. So this one doesn't have to be used up because it's in an airtight container, so it will last for a long time. So don't throw away any of your containers, you can always reuse them. This is the fluoro pink. This is on the very thick side, so I'm not sure. It should be fine. And I'm going to put some of my champagne gold. So this is 50% gold, 50% silver. I'm going to run some of that either side. Bit of a weird way, isn't it? Now this is a kind of sand yellow. It's not a bright yellow, so kind of a weird composition, isn't it? But I'm not sure, I'm just trying it, so we'll see how it goes. And last colour I actually have left is this cyan blue, so I might just use this on the curl, doing a curl. Bit of a weird one, but you know, just try it, just try. I am going to hit it with my heat torch to get rid of any air bubbles. Rightio. Now I'll give it a go with my little, it's a mini hairdryer. I've just put tape across there to reduce where the air comes out. It's a mini travel dryer. So I might, just trying to think to go slow with this. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Which way would you have it? That way or that way? It actually looks quite nice like that. The cells that have popped up, they are crazy. That is... Did you hear my gecko? He approves, so that's all that matters. The gecko approves. He gave his sign of approval. That's, I must have had in this one blue, this has definitely got to have had silicone in it to come like big fat jelly beans. But this is, so it's kind of the cells of a silicone, but with the lacing of Floetrol. That is a lovely composition, actually, I believe. Oh, wow. I really like that. I know if I go and blow it in anywhere there, I'll get my boobs in the paint, my hair in the paint. But it's actually quite lovely, so I don't want to fiddle too much. Oh, look what I've done, the silly duffer. There. I'll just go over my edges with the white afterwards. I'm going to let that dry off. It looks as though it's separating there, but you know, it gives it a different dimension. It's so beautiful. Those colours together are absolutely gorgeous. Maybe it would have worked better if this was green to give it more of a floral look, but that's different. And it's actually quite striking doing the composition in those kind of V chevron puddles. So what do you think, guys? Do you think it's a yay or a nay? You're allowed to say, as long as you're not rude. Don't like rude people, but I really am happy with that, so I hope you guys like it. I will try and bring you down for a close-up now and see what you think. Boy, oh boy, this was a surprise. This is quite beautiful. Those particular colours, that colour that I make up, the very dark cherry with the fluoro pink, and that yellow, which is a sand yellow. Look at the effects that has brought out. Really beautiful. The only strange thing, look, is the blue definitely had silicone in it. So that's gone in a complete different direction in that it's got these big jelly bean cells, as I call them. Looks a little bit weird there. Not really liking that. I'm in two minds whether to scrape that bit. That's quite nice there. Definitely that dark cherry, fluoro pink and yellow is a goer. Not, that's not so bad. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that. It's very interesting. Even that is not too bad, a bit different, having a mixture of the paints in there, but there you go, there's the whole thing. So hope you like that, guys. Until tomorrow, bye for now.